Are we recording? Hey guys, you are on my UMX Radian, and I'm gonna fly today. So, let's have a ride, but let's wait for the wind to calm down, because the wind's going crazy right now. I'm playing with the like the wind. Come on, wind. Maybe if we go towards the wind, and then like, come on, in the wind. Come on. It will! Look, you see the angle? It's looking straight out. Like it sees a propeller blade.
Oh, okay.
It's looking straight out. Hello. I'm probably going to post this. Alright, I'm going to send you back up. Is that engaged? Yeah. Okay, GPS engaged. 3. Okay, battery's getting low on the camera, so guess we'll see you guys next time.